We are at one of my favorite places in all of St. Louis, Tower Grove Park. So I am taking you into a 4-family building here, one of my favorite buildings that we manage in St. Louis. So this 4-family building right here is literally across the street from Tower Grove. And that's super cool to me. I love the Tower Grove lifestyle. That means a lot of walkability to shops, festivals. There's a farmer's market every Saturday at Tower Grove. Everybody walks their dogs and gets exercise in, and there's ponds. So there is just so much to do when you are by Tower Grove, making it a gem of St. Louis. So this property right here is a 2nd floor unit. It is a 2-bedroom. A lot of these 4 families are 1-bedrooms, and it's hard to find a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, but this is the only 2-bedroom unit in this building. So it's more desirable, it rents for more, and it has that old school St. Louis charm too. So once you come in here, you have a great open kitchen concept right here. Really, really love that too. And another thing that I really, really love are these exposed bricks. So usually you only get these in South City. A lot of times these can be a lot of maintenance as well in older buildings, but if you do it right and you make it an accent wall, it looks amazing, hip, cool, very desirable. So let's go into this 1-bedroom here. If you go into the 1st bedroom here, it's a very large size as well, and it has the exposed brick. So a lot of these buildings are gonna be brick on the outside with hard walls and these old trims. A lot of these trims are still intact and original 80, 90, 100 years old, and they're still durable. So that's one thing about living in the city of St. Louis. You get a lot of that old school charm. Sometimes that comes with breakdown and deterioration, but if you can preserve them, it's really, really cool. As we come over here to the kitchen area, not many of my units are like this, where it's just kind of open to the living room. It's usually boxy somewhere in the back. So a lot of these bathrooms, they're really old, but the tile has kept intact, and it's like this outdated yellow, pink, green tile. But this one right here was redone with modern tile all the way to the top of the ceiling. So it really pops. There's really a wow factor to it, in my opinion. So I think that makes it really cool. Another feature that is somewhat rare in St. Louis is in-unit laundry on the 2nd floor. So, 90% of units will have it in the basement. So you'd have to go down to the basement. A lot of the basements are unfinished, but they thought about it and had it put to the 2nd floor, making it super convenient and more desirable. So it really stands out. Not many apartments in St. Louis will have it in unit in a 4-family building. So that's really, really awesome. Hi, I'm Ben, your St. Louis real estate ninja. I help people build real estate portfolios through cash flowing St. Louis rentals. I own over 35 doors myself and have owned properties in St. Louis for over 15 years. If you need help with St. Louis real estate or relocation, that's what I'm here for. Feel free to text, email, or call me. I'd love to talk to you about your goals. Other than that, let's get back to it. As we come in here, we have our 2nd bedroom, the smaller bedroom, but it has a really cool wooden accent wall, making it really pop out in the pictures. This is a smaller bedroom that a lot of people use as an office. A lot of people work from home now, remote. So having this as an office is really cool and fun. Another benefit of this room is this walkout patio. I love having a patio on the back 2nd floor. It's really awesome. It's in really good shape. The weather is heating up here, And when you come out here without having to go outside and getting air, and it's a really relaxing time that makes you feel at home. At the time of this video, this is listed for $13.50 a month. So $13.50, 2-bedroom apartment, right in the heart of St. Louis Tower Grove. I think it's a great value. I think it can get more, but what I like to do is give people a fair price and they stay here longer. But the story about this unit is there is a couple that we have. They live in 2 different units. They're coming to move in together right here in a great location. So they are moving in at the beginning of the month, and we are looking for a long relationship with them. So this property was bought a few months ago for $570,000. That is maybe a little higher than most people want to pay in St. Louis for a 4-family, but in an A-class location, if you start off here, in 10 years, it's gonna do better. It's gonna be more desirable, you're gonna have better tenants, you're gonna appreciate more. Your cash flow on paper might not be as great as some of these other lower neighborhoods, but in the end, you're gonna have a lot less headaches and you're gonna make more in the end. So going in B+ locations, A-class locations, if you can do it, that's a good start. Before you can rent out a unit, you have to get an occupancy permit where the city inspector comes here and checks it, makes sure everything's up to code, and then approves you for that. So every property needs a smoke detector and carbon monoxide. The smoke detectors are in each bedroom, and there has to be 1 carbon monoxide as well. So that's what we do. I do that every day for a living anyway. If you need help with managing rental properties, that's what I do. But other than that, it's about getting everything ready and presented well, past occupancy inspection, and presentable for tenants at showing. So a lot of cleaning up, a lot of making sure everything's working properly, passing the inspection, and getting it ready for nice pictures. So that's this property in a nutshell. If you need help with managing rental properties in St. Louis, that's what I'm here for. Feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you want to get more information about rentals, I have another video right here that I think would help. But other than that, I'll see you on the next one.